you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make a progression bar in Notion in 2 ways. First of all, create a new page and call this page something like progression bar. Then we click under it and then from here we do slash and we search for database in line. Then right now what we want to do is we click here on add property, select number, click on it again and we call this channel 1. Because this example today is a nice progression bar for my YouTube earnings in total this month. So I call this YouTube earnings. Then for my first channel right here, we want to fill in that this channel brought me in 20. And right now, if you click here on channel and we go to edit property, you can see right here that we can choose the bar option. And then make sure that we also change the number format to USD. So you can change here all the formats that you like. And that we need to divide by is 100 because I earned this month $100. So that is fine. And if I click now this away, you will see exactly right here that the number is standing here with $20. And that is 20% of 100 for this month. Now, this is exactly how you can make a progression bar for one tab. But if you want to make this for 2 or combine 2, we can do this on the next way. We click here on plus, numbers, change this name to channel 2, because I have a second channel that's bringing in money. Then we go to edit property, number format, and we select USD, and then we click here on the bar. Then right now you will see nothing because we didn't fill in an amount, but let's say we earned with channel 2 $40. So right now you will see exactly here how much channel 1 brought in. Now let's say we can call this earnings July 2025. Now what I want to see is how much these channels are brought me together. So channel 1 and channel 2. So what we do now is click here on the plus icon and go to formula. And then right now here on formula, we click on this, edit formula, and then we do edit formula right here. And then we select channel 1 plus channel 2. And you can seriously do this with everything. You can do plus, you can do minus, you can do divide by, whatever you like. But I want to know this combined. So I do this combined, then we do done. Then we click here on bar and we do number format USD. And then right now, if I'm looking right here, I see that both channels brought me $60 and that is 60% of 100. So this is exactly how you can make progressive bars on Notion. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.